I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with the Charles Big Boss? Welcome back to another video. How is my CEOs doing out there? I bet y'all making that money, smelling good, looking good, feeling good, man. I hope y'all doing great today. So in today's video, I ain't talk about this in a while, but I want to talk about work sense. You know what I'm saying? When you go to work, y'all want to smell good, okay? You go to sleep for like 8 hours of the day. You go to work for like 8 hours a day, and you got like 8 hours to kind of, you know what I mean, do what you want to do. I say that to say that you at work for 1/3 of your life, okay? So I know you want to smell good while you kicking it, doing it, making no money, okay? And in this list, this is a great everyday work scent for the everyday working man. You just a dude that go to work every day, you making money for the family. These is great fragrances for you. And they are around a whole bunch of different price points. Depending on your budget, you should find a fragrance in this list that you like. The first fragrance I want to talk about is this Tom Ford's Soposano. Okay, this is one of my favorite Tom Fords. Okay, the Tom Ford signature line doesn't have a lot of fresh, aquatic, aromatic fragrances. This fragrance for Tom Ford is a Tom Ford that I love wearing, especially during the spring and summertime. It's very unique and don't smell like no fragrance on this list. And it's very hard for people to duplicate something like this because you could tell it's very well blended. Tom Ford put their time into this, especially them coming out with a fresh scent that they normally don't come out with. They did a great job. Now this fragrance is not gonna last all day, okay? We're gonna get you about like 4 to 5 hours on skin with this. But in my opinion, I think that's enough, okay? You spray this on, you go to work, and just know by like the end of your shift, it's gonna wear off a little bit. But it's gonna get you compliments. You're gonna feel good when you spray this on. Very aquatic, very citrus, orangey, sweet. Like when you smell something like this, it's just a fresh scent that you never smelled before. I like this. And I might just wear this to bed because, you know, I always sleep with a fragrance on, okay? Now, another fragrance I want to talk about is this Polo Blue Eau de Toilette. Really classic scent. It has that mandarin in it, that orange in it, that aquatic note. Everybody might say this smells like shower gel, but when you go into work, smelling like soap isn't bad, okay? Smelling like you just hopped out the shower, fresh and so clean. You smell like you got deodorant on, you smell like you got baby powder on, you go nads, you know what I'm saying? You just looking and feeling good, you feeling fresh. I love Polo Blue. I think it's a classic scent. This was like one of the first blue scents to come out. I think Polo did great when they made this scent because even when I was going to school, all my hood dudes had Polo Blue. You know what I'm saying, on their dresser, or their mom got it for them for their birthday or Christmas. I had Polo Blue as well. I was 15 with the Polo Blue on, doing my thing. Okay? Now, another fragrance I want to talk about is this right here. Paco Rabanne's Phantom Parfum. This, great. This is also the perfect weather to wear something like this. It got like that lavender lemon scent. I always kind of joked around and said the original smelled like grass, but this right here is just something that I find myself wearing a lot. It smells just like the original. It's just cranked up more intense. And the original was a beautiful scent, a good lavender lemon scent. Like I said, now you can get it and last all day, right? You put this on, you last in the whole shift. Can't go wrong. And don't forget, it's a lemon, lavender, grassy, just spring bomb. Paco Rabanne did good with this. And don't forget, they also coming out with another version called like the Intense. I know that's gonna be good. Now, I talk about Creed Silver Mountain Water a lot because that is like one of my favorite smelling fragrances of all time. Like Creed Silver Mountain Water, if it just can last a little bit longer, I think that would be like top 5 of all time. But we all know Silver Mountain Water don't last that long. But you can get this Club in the Week sillage for like a fraction of the price. $50. You buy this by Aeromoth. You smell like Silver Mountain water, but you ain't paying that Silver Mountain water price. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what Aeromoth did, but this lasts longer than Silver Mountain water. Can't complain. Okay, we're gonna move on. Now, I told you I'm really getting into that DUA brand fragrances, so I'm gonna talk about them a lot in my videos because hey, I'm just liking the scents, bro. Feel me? And I know when I go to work, I'm gonna be putting some of this on. So right here, this fragrance is called Chillin' by the Pacific. And if you had watched my previous video, I think it was like yesterday or the day before, this smells like lemon, lime, Sprite, Sierra Mist. This is great. Like a fizzy Sierra Mist pop. And then once it dry down, it has like this sweet kind of lemony musk going on. And you get a lot of compliments with this fragrance. Now, one thing I can say, it's not gonna last you all day, okay? 3 to 4 hours, but this is one of the type of fragrances you could probably just throw in your bag and you could probably just keep reapplying this while you at work. I like it. It smells real good. Go in the comments, y'all, if y'all like the DUA brand fragrances, because I do, okay? Now, another fragrance right here, man. Carolina Herrera 212 Black, okay? This is the VIP Black, right? I love the original Carolina Herrera 212, but when they came out with the VIP Black, I'm like, y'all did that, okay? This is what I wear as an alternative to Versace Eros. Whenever I want that clubbing type, it's not like bubble gum, it's just like an apple, like a real crispy, fruity apple smell. Man, you can't really go wrong with this type of fragrance. This is very underrated. When I make my underrated list, I'm gonna throw this on that list too. People don't talk about this Carolina Herrera fragrance. Nobody ever talks about it, but I'm gonna talk about it because this is good. And mixing it with that Soli Positano that I just put on with that Tom Ford, it's gonna be an interesting night. I'm gonna figure it out. But when you're going to work, this lasts a long time too. Spray it on, and especially if you get it now, because it don't sell that much, the bottle's been marinating in a cabinets for a while. I let this fragrance marinate for like 6 months. Once I grabbed it, I'm like, damn, man, this is great. I love this fragrance, man. Y'all should get it. Okay. Last fragrance on this list I want to talk about is this right here. Boom. Yes, another Ral Club. Ral Club fragrances is always good for work. That's just how I always look at it. Whenever I'm going to work, for some reason, I'm grabbing Polo. I'm grabbing my Ralph Lauren. But this right here, this Ral Club Parfum, it's perfect. See, the elixir is a little too spicy. It's a little too date night, a little too strong for the work setting. And then the Eau de Parfum, the original Ral Club that came out, was a little too, it just didn't last that long. It wasn't strong. You're not getting a lot of compliments with that lavender soapy fragrance. But with this, strikes a good balance right in the middle. When you put this on, people are not going to look at you and be like, bro, you sprayed too much. Sometimes you be at work and girls be like, you put too much cologne on. It's irritating. Like, bro, shut up. I don't care. But this, you ain't got to worry about that. You put this on, maybe like 5 to 6 sprays, you enter. Okay? Love this scent. Very underrated. A lot of people don't talk about this. I think because when the original came out, it did so bad that a lot of people skipped over Ral Club. But now they got 3 different flankers. You can pick whatever you like based on the intensity. And like I said, the Parfum, the one in the middle, is the one you should wear for work. Okay? I love y'all so much. Don't overspray when you're going to work, y'all. Remember, y'all gonna be with around these people for like 8 hours. They do not want to smell you all day. Okay, so that's a little caveat. All right, I want y'all to enjoy your day. Stay looking clean. Stay looking cool. We talked about Ral Club. You know what I'm saying? Club in the week. We talked about that. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ral Club. We talked about that. Yeah. VIP Black. Yeah. Yeah. Polo Blue. Yup. We talked about that Tom Ford. Soli Positano. Yeah. Last but not least, we talked about this DUA brand. think they got a code coming out too, where you can get like 30% off. But thank y'all for watching, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay being a boss. Y'all stay looking cool. Stay looking fly. I'm Big Boss, and I'm out.